Hi everyone, I would like to introduce our latest multifunctional showerhead. This one, compact, powerful, and designed to elevate your shower experience. This showerhead features a 9 cm spray face and the total height is 25 cm. It's light and easy to handle. It comes with 5 functions. Later we can see how it works. It has standard shower spray, oxygen mixed jet spray in backside. It's perfect for cleaning. A close function here to saving water. The water flow is soft. In front is equipment with silicone massage nozzles for a gentle skin massage. In the handle, there's a built-in small PP cotton filter, helping to remove impurities. The filter inside can help to reduce chlorine and improve water quality. It's hand shower more than just a showerhead. It's comfort, cleaning, and care all in one. Welcome to contact us for more details.